IIE is not the only Japanese no. A clear offer can use kekadiso. In a clear offer scene, kekadiso can mean no, thank you.
Nihongo EXP. Quest 15. Kekudezo.
Quest 15-1. Decline an offer politely. Kekadiso can politely decline a clear offer. Your tone and the scene make the meaning clear.
結構です。お願いします。大丈夫です。
Quest 15-2. Decline, accept, or answer softly. To politely decline a clear offer, say kekadiso. If you want the offer, say onegai shimasu. In some casual service scenes, daijoubu desu can softly mean no thanks. Use kekadiso when the offer is already clear. If you want the offer, say onegai shimasu instead. Kekadiso can sound firm, so use a friendly tone. IIE is a direct no. Kekadiso can politely decline a clear offer without sounding as blunt.
Mini dialogue.
A shop staff member offers a bag. Listen to the scene, then repeat once.
プロはご利用ですか？結構です。
クリアオファープラスフレンドリートーン結構です。
Quick check. The shop staff offers a bag, but you do not need one. What do you say?
Correct.
A. Kekadiso. It politely declines the clear offer.
結構です。
Mistake clinic. IIE is correct, but it can feel blunt in a simple offer scene. Mistake clinic. IIE is correct, but it can feel blunt in a simple offer scene. Kekadiso is a useful polite refusal.
結構です。
Battle start. 3 offer scenes to clear the quest. Question 1. Staff offers a bag, but you do not need one. What do you say? Answer. A. Kekadiso. It politely declines the clear offer.
結構です。
Question 2. Staff offers a bag and you want one. What do you say? Answer. A. Onegai shimasu. It means yes, please in this offer scene.
お願いします。
Question 3. Someone checks whether you are okay after a small bump. What do you say? Answer. A. Daijoubu desu. It means I am okay in this scene.
大丈夫です。
Today's rule. Clear offer? Decline it politely. Final shadowing. Listen, repeat, then one more time.
結構です。結構です。結構です。結構です。
Nice. You cleared Quest 15.
Next quest. 美味しかったです。Say it after the meal.
Subscribe to keep leveling up.